Okay, if I can have your attention, please. Okay. Open up the books, Olivia. Now we're talking about expressing quantities as fractions. We've got assembly, so we want to move this fairly quickly. Okay, so the idea is you can compare two quantities. You can compare two quantities by writing it as a fraction. Okay, something over something, and then you simplify. So the idea is if they're seeing what is this much out of this much, how do those things relate? Right, so you just write it as a fraction. Sorry, this one is not. This one is just a squiggle. So what fraction is 7 of 14? Now someone should be able to just tell me that. Half. It's a half. It's very simple. But the way that we do that, if you wanted to use your method, is to say, well, you do 7 over 14. Okay, so we do 7 over 14. And of course, the common factor on top and bottom, Brianna, here is what? What's the common factor on top and bottom? 7. Yeah. So 7 divided by 7 is 1 over 14 divided by 7 is 2. And so we end up with 1 half. Okay, so if you want to find something as a fraction of something else, this word fraction is 7 of 14. It's 7 over 14. Okay, that's the way we think about it. 7 over 14. Now, what fraction is 5 cents of $2? What's the first thing we have to do with this one? What's important that we have to do? The cents and dollars are different units. If we're going to have a fraction, what do we have to do? Yeah? Good. So convert the dollars to what? Okay, so how many cents is it? $2 equals 200 cents. Okay, so we'll do that. Right? So it's 200 cents. And so now we can do it as a fraction. Once the units are the same, change to same units. What is going on? And you can understand that. It says change to the same units. Change to the same units. Let's just not worry about this for the moment. Yeah, that's true. Right, so change to the same units. Once we've changed it, then we can put something over something else. So we can do 5 over 200. 5 over 200. So let's simplify this fraction. Nelson, what's 5 over 200? I don't know. We'll find out. 1. Good. So common factor is 5, so it's 1 over something. What's 200 divided by 5? 40. Yeah, so it's 1 over 40. Yeah, sure. Alright? So 1 over 40, it simplifies to that. Okay? So the idea is change it to the same units. So you have the same units, and then you can write it as a fraction. You can't do 5 over 2. Okay? Because 5 is $2.05. You're comparing two different things, which means your fraction is going to be inaccurate. It's not going to be a correct fraction. Alright? Last one. Just want to have a look at. Is if Ali made 9 mistakes in a test out of 50, what fraction of the questions did she get correct? Yeah, so how many questions did she get correct, Alex? How many questions did she get correct?
41.
41. How'd you get 41? She got 9 mistakes in a test out of 50. How did you get 41? Yeah, 50 take away 9. Okay? So 50 minus 9 is equal to 41. So then that's the number of correct. Number correct. I'm not sure what is going on here. No, I did already. Doesn't like this side of the board. Number correct. You can't understand that. So we got 41 over 50. Any common factors between 41 and 50, Giles? 41 and 50. Any common factors? Any common factors? 41 and 50. No. 41 is in fact, Olivia, what kind of number? Prime number. Okay, so that's the way you do it. Follow it step by step. So what I would like you to do for the next 10 to 15 minutes, yes, Lachlan? Number correct. Okay, we're going to get this worked on, don't worry. So what I'd like you to work on for the next 10 to 15 minutes before I do something else is this. Exercise 3.04, page 97. I'm going to go back. Write these down, please, right now. Everybody write it down. Write it down, Olivia, so that no one is asking me what questions I have to do. Write this down, please. I don't want anyone to have to ask me after I put it up what you need to do. Okay, A, E, I, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, C, 6, 8, and 10. All right? But again, if you want to do slightly different ones, I don't mind. The basic idea is I want you to do a selection of the questions across the exercise. Okay? Everyone got these down? And then I'll go back to write down the last bit. Okay? Okay, so if you finish writing, open your textbooks and do the exercise. And I've got to go back. Look at somebody else's. Coffee's nice if I show you. Yeah. Yeah.